Makeblock Neuron is an essential package of programmable electronic building blocks, including sound and light sensors, servo, and more. Its building blocks connect in a snap thanks to durable and easy-to-use pogo pin connectors. You can add the funny touch block to create a game that is sensitive to touch. Makeblock Neuron is a great way to learn coding together. Just bring your and the parts you want to build your game with. The Neuron app has many great invention guides. The video shows you exactly how to build the invention. Install the servo and other modules on the paper model, and your dinosaur is alive and ready to bite. After you've built an invention, you can easily share it. Many more fun and educating ideas are included in the app. Makeblock Neuron. Make anything. Make everything.